All right, guys, still cleaning up parts. We may send that to the machine shop because they got a better setup than us. So we can make sure all the varnish and everything's out of it, nice and clean. I got the timing cover in here, another pulley, and a couple more bolts. And I'm just keep on trucking along. And here we go. Right, good morning, guys. We're back on the 88 Vet, and we've been cleaning. This has been sitting in the ultrasonic, but don't worry. We got some paint to repaint all the pulleys, make them nice and clean. Timing cover, the paint's been coming off, which is good. We got some bolts are getting cleaned up, and then we got a couple other things that are gonna go in this bad boy, and I'm also gonna be painting some pulleys today. So here we go. So I'm gonna take a wire wheel, cut the rest of this other stuff. Won't take me very long. It's flaking off. Got more stuff in the washer. Clean all this up and get the rest of the gasket off of that. And then I'll take it and paint them. Clean them, torch them, heat them up, paint them, make them look good. So I'll show you when they're clean and when I'm getting ready to paint. Guys, well, I was getting ready to paint these, cleaned up, ready to go, but we ordered a gloss, semi-gloss black, not flat black, and so that's not going to work because that does not match what it was. You know, they were a semi-gloss black, not a flat black, and not a super glossy black like that car over there. So, in the phone call and getting that fixed. So I'm gonna keep on cleaning the rest of the bolts and hardware and get the rest of the pulleys cleaned up and ready to be painted. On a quick side note, we only got one box today. One box of parts today, and harmonic balancer came in. So that's some good news. I'll just share that real quick, and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit.